Hello, hello everyone. In this video, what we are going to see is how to create equal width menu. What do I mean by the equal width menu? Equal width menu. As you can see, when I hover on the menu, all the links get see equal width. This is what we are going to see, and this menu is responsive as well. We are going to see two parts: how to create equal width menu as well as the responsive menu. It is responsive as well. You can see. Okay, let's quickly start from the HTML. And let me remove the CSS. Now I don't need to remove CSS. You can see the menu is the container. The menu class is a container which holds all the anchor tag. The anchor tag has the icon used by the font awesome. These are the code you need to use to get the icon. Inside the I tag you have to use the predefined font awesome icon names, provided which you need to use the CDN. This is a CDN at runtime. That means when I refresh the page, the icon is received from the server with the help of this link and gets embedded into our current page. Okay, that's not the focus of this video. The font awesome icon we have already covered it. We are going to see how to create the full width, equal width menu. Okay, let me remove. Let's create the menu for the desktop. Please note, menu for the desktop. Choose a container class and give the background color as black, and after giving background color black, I want the width to be 100%. Refresh it. Okay, I'm going to use float, so it is advised to use overflow, auto or overflow hidden. Whenever I'm going to use float on the child, it is advised to give the parent the property overflow auto or overflow hidden. Okay, I'm going to use the menus anchor tag. I'm going to float it left. Refresh it, you will see the difference, and change the color so that we can see white. Fine. I am going to zoom it with the help of Ctrl plus so that you can see. Remove the underline by using the text decoration. None. Refresh it. Fine. Give the padding. Top bottom leave it. Top bottom 10 pixel. Left and right 0 pixel. Refresh it. Fine. Now it's time for the width. How much I need? 25% for each anchor tag. For each anchor tag, I'm going to provide 25% of width. And text align center. I want it to centrally aligned. Fine. Now it's time to give the anchor tag a hover effect. When I hover it, I want the background color to get to red. Refresh it, you'll see the difference. The hover is too quick. I'm going to use the transition 1 second delay. That means the color should show up after 1 second. And fine, this is the code which is for the desktop menu. Now let's style the mobile menu. Save it and refresh it. Start from scratch. Choose the class menu and give the background color as black. Choose the anchor tag inside the anchor menu. Anchor tag inside the menu class, and give the display property block so that it gets one below the other. Fine. Now give the padding top and bottom left and right 10 pixel and make it text align center. text align, center, and change the color to white, and remove the background, remove the underline. Text decoration, none. Remove the underline. Fine. This is for the mobile. If you want, you can add the hover effect as well, as we have added on the desktop. Background color red, or simply background red, and it should apply with a delay of 1 second. Fine. Place it somewhere else. Now it's time to write the media query. Second is for mobile. Now it's time to write the media query. How do we write it? @media screen and max width 600 pixel is for mobile device. The same, copy it and paste it for desktop. In place of max, you need to use min. Min width means 600 pixel and above. Max width means 600 pixel and below. So whatever code you have written, paste it inside the curly braces. This is for what? Desktop. Desktop means min width. And this is for mobile. Mobile means max width. Refresh it, you will see the difference. This is the desktop version of our equal width menu. Right click, inspect to check the mobile version. How do I see that? Fine, that's working. Over it, smooth transition. You can close and switch it to mobile, from mobile to desktop. The same working. Thank you for listening.